Good morning, students. It's Thursday, April 2nd, and every Thursday we have a review to do. So I'm going to show you how it should be done. If you saw the video for the last one, review 12 last week, it's basically the same way. Go to your classwork tab and open up review number 13. Try to open it in Kami. Now, once again, you folks who are doing this on a phone or an iPad, you should be able to write over exactly what you're looking at right now without having to open it in Kami. You folks that are on a laptop or a computer, you're going to need to open it in Kami so that you'll be able to write on it. Don't turn in a blank paper. Jose made a chart to show his financial record for the month of May. What was Jose's balance after he went to the movies? Well, before he went to the movies, he had that much money, and then he spent that much money, so what goes here? Well, to me, this sounds like a subtraction problem. So I'm going to go ahead and work out $47.75, take away $9.95. Seems to me like $37.80 is what should go here. So I'm going to choose answer B. Now I'm going to be letting you do the rest on your own, but this is what I want to see when you turn this in. I want to see these problems written out, and I want to see what answer you have circled. Now, after you have finished answering all 15 problems, then you need to do this. Watch closely. Go up here, open up a new tab, go back into your Google Classroom, go back to the Classwork tab, go back to Review 13, and click on the answer sheet. Now we've chosen answer B for number 1, so I'm going to go ahead and click in B. Now notice this little star right here is required, so we got to fill in all our answers, and I'm just going to go through here and guess these right quick. I have no idea which, because I haven't worked them yet. I'm just going to go through and then submit. Now when you submit, that does not mean you're sending me your paper. All you're doing is you're just going to check to see how you did on these questions. Number 13, question number 1, we got it correct. But question number 2, we missed. And I've given you a little hint what you need to do. First, on number 2, you need to place point W where it belongs, then follow the steps. So once you go back and see what you've gotten wrong, and you've seen my hints down here at the bottom, go back to your review and correct it. After everything is corrected, once you think you have all the correct answers for all 15 problems, go to the Save As, or the Save button, and click Save Now. Now when you click Save Now, it might take a minute to actually save. But once you click Save Now, it's going to save, and then you go back to the screen where it tells you to turn in your paper. When you turn in your paper, this is what I'm going to be looking at. I'm not going to be seeing this answer sheet. This answer sheet is just there to help you get a better grade on this homework. This answer sheet is like you come to me and say, Mr. Craig, could you please check over my homework, like most of you folks have been doing in the mornings. So check your answers with the answer sheet, go back to the review, fix whatever needs to be fixed, and then once you think you got them all correct, click Save Now, go back, and turn in your paper. This is what I want to see. I don't want to see a blank paper. I want to see something worked out, and I want to see what's circled. This is the paper I'm going to be grading, okay? All right, that's the only thing you have to do today, and I'm going to go ahead and give you to the end of Friday to get it turned in, but let's not be waiting to the last minute to get stuff done. I'm still waiting on page 343 from several of you. If you are not interested in doing this Google Classroom at all, then please let me know so I can take you out of the classroom. It's not very fair to me to have you in my classroom and then you're not doing anything, and I'm trying to figure out, well, is there a computer problem? And it just turns out, no, you're not interested. Well, if you're not interested in doing this Google Classroom, you need to let me know so I can remove your name from my class. All right, folks, I'm sorry if it sounds grumpy, but I have had a long day. From 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock, I've been on Google Classroom, and then after that, I went to the school to make a month's worth of copies to be put in your packet. And now here it is after 8 o'clock, and I'm just now getting around to doing this. So I've definitely put in a 12-hour day, so I apologize if I sound grumpy, but please bear with me. This is new to all of us, and we're all still trying to figure something out. Also, you folks who have been sending me posts, I have replied to your post, but then you're not replying back to me, so I have no idea if you're getting my responses. If you're not getting my responses, I put my phone number on the stream page. Call me. Let's find out what's going on with your computer. Let's find out why you're not able to get into Kami. Let's try to do this. All right? Okay, that's your only assignment for today, Review 13. Y'all have fun.